Incline slope as well. It is quite slippery and I'm not sure if it's a good idea what I'm trying to do right here. I should have brought my spikes, but unfortunately I forgot them and it's all icy. It's very slippery as well, and my shoes, they don't have that good of a traction, so I'm hoping that I can avoid falling down. So the actual path is not walkable. It is very slippery and it's quite inclined slope as well. So I'm not going to take any risk. So I'm gonna try to go through this area. It looks a bit better. And I'll try to get to the fall. But if it's going to be very difficult and very slippery, I might just give up and go back. But right now I want to get there. I have come a long way from Trondheim. I really wish that I hadn't forgotten my spikes today, but let's try to make the best out of this situation. Look at the main path, it's completely icy. Ooh. Oh, that was a close call. And then again. So finally I have gotten to this wooden path now, and this will now take me to the waterfall. The waterfall is almost frozen and it is looking really good. This hike, this slippery path, it was all worth it. This is so beautiful. I'm so happy that I made this journey. There are still some tricky paths. Oh, this is all I see. I'm just sliding now. Ooh. Oh, this is so crazy. Why are all these beautiful places so difficult to get to? And I did this hike from Hommelvik to Storfossen in summer, and I walked all the way to the waterfall. And that day I had walked about 22 kilometers in total. And I would say it wasn't as difficult as it is. It's cold and it's slippery. I have to take every step very carefully. Finally. Let me notice. Oh, this is so amazing. My drone just crash landed in that tree, and now one of the wings is damaged and it won't fly anymore. But now I can't take any drone shots. Oh, that sucks. This was the best route that I could take to get back to Hommelvik. The problem now is that I have to walk on the snow. On the side of it's very difficult to walk on the snow. Finally I get some dedicated pedestrian path so I can walk without worrying about the cars. I've been walking on the snow all this way, and it takes so much out of you. I walked this path during summer and it wasn't as hard as it has been today. It would have been nice if I could see some northern lights. I can see some stars, but no lights.